told you could start making money online just using your smartphone and your laptop, and even you don't need to create any product and services, even you don't need to building a social media brand and spending a month to posting, creating a video. You don't need, and by the way, you don't even need any technical skills. You don't nothing. If you think about to starting your online business, this is the right time you can start now. And if we talk about myself, I just like you, I was struggling years in online field in 2020s, and I would not making any single penny, but I discovered the right strategy and right formula that I can make our first sell, first $1,000, first $10,000, and even more every single month. So I'm in this video, I'm going to give you exact blueprint and formula that I know yes you can copy and you can make at least $5,000 per month without spending any money. Okay, so stick this video around us, because end of the video I'm going to give you our secret strategy plus a lot of premium bonuses implement in your business and your business 10x faster. Okay, so let's jump on a video and I will show you step by step what you need to do that. If you see my screen, you can see this product launched by my friend talking visual commercial, and it will launch yesterday and maybe just 12 hours, and within 12 hours they are making $7,623. And look at 16 minutes before he making and someone others, and look at down here, most of the people are Indian and around the world, so no any country foundation and no any barriers. So Dr. Amit, I know Udhav is my friend, Akash and Vijay, and I am review Avijit, Ram Rawat, Pallav and Kundan, so many Indians people and so many people around the world who just promoting the product. And basically JBZoo and Vara Plus the platform where you someone launching product and someone promoting product, so two part. Okay, so if you want to launch your product, it is a big game, so you need to learn something from Ministry of Freedom. I have put the link description below, you can go to check out now. And if you want to learn only how you can promote product and you make decent amount of money, then you can watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you everything what I know about that. And look at this, is another product got going launch maybe yesterday, and they also making $5,000, and they so many people are promoting and participate. Okay, so the question is why people are failing in this industry while it is a very easy system. So many people people just struggling to making money online because they are not have a good plan and good strategy. So some people just try just making a YouTube video, some people running ads, some people just watching other videos, some people just using Facebook group, they are posting affiliate link, but really it doesn't work. I have tried years, but that does not work. So how you can make like that? Okay, so I have put my link on the description where you can just click on, you can click just coming on this page here, you can click on this and you can register and you can watch our free entire training. And once you complete the training, then you will get our complete course where you will learn everything step by step, how this system work and how you can make money like this. Okay, so you don't believe, look at on here, so many people, someone making that, someone making that, and all those screenshot me and my student making. So also you can copy all those things for free. Okay, so how you can get? Simply click on the link description below and you can go to and access this amazing product and you can make. By the way, we are not selling anything for you to you right now, I'm just revealing exact things. So for example, what is the new method to making this kind of money? That is very simple things, is called email automation. Okay, so you need to just get too many emails, and once you get emails, and then you can use a software, you can send email and email generate money for you. So for examples, I have 50,000 email list in my list. So by the way, if you want this email list, then you can go to and join our course, then you will get 50,000 email list for free, and you will make money right now from today. Okay, so what you need to do, for example, you are 50,000 email list, you are applying, and let's go to our calculator. So you can get this calculator link in the bio, the description. So for example, you have 50,000 email list contact, okay, and you are sending, and just only 10% people are opening, and 20% just 8% people click, and you will get just 5% conversion. You will make around $1,600 enough. So it is a power of, and not only we are just stop on here. Let me say the product cost maybe around just $30. So you can make just $500 per commission, okay, per product commission, and commission at 50%. And let me add some upsell. So for example, upsell price is just $80. You get just $50 your commission, and you will get conversion rate just 2%, and another upsell, okay, and another upsell, and you can make like that. Okay, so every single campaign once you sending, then your front end offer make 500 plus, your upsell making 300 plus, total 800. Okay, so every single month if you are going to send only 10 email, okay, then you will make at least $13,000, and it is a big amount. Okay, so if we less, then you can still make $5,000, is not big amount. So how you can get these exact things? Very simple. We have put our WhatsApp below. You can go to and check out in the description, or you will get this link. Once you click, then you will going to join room, and once you join, then you will get a complete training, and once you get training, then you can start making money. So why you are waiting? Go to and pick up now. Link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you the next. Thank you.